What did you see? What's there?
Darn, it went down there.
The blue jay?
Yeah, it was on the roof of that house, and then it jumped down the house, and I was like,
Yeah.
Mommy, it's not coming back. Blue jay disappeared. Mom, let's search for more birds.
You see the bird in the distance on the branch?
Mm-hmm. We found another bird. Let's stare at that bird.
There's so many birds around.
But that one's the cutest.
It has white and black.
Mommy, the blue jay is my favorite bird.
Because of the blue coat. It's so cute, yeah. It's cute.
Bird alert, bird alert, bird alert, bird alert.
That's your blue jay. You were talking about it, it came.
He's so fat.
He's fat, yeah. I think it's just the fur.
Yeah.
Makes him look fat, but he's not. Alright. So we saw the blue jay.
Blue jay, come here.
Well, it's not a pet.
Mommy, I kind of want it to fly away because it's too cute.
Oh, to fly away?
Yeah.
You mean to fly?
Oh, thank you. Now I want to see it. Now it's fun.
Alright.
Mommy, we're so lucky. We're
Yeah.
so lucky.
Why we're lucky?
Because of the blue jay.
Lots of planes. Planes, planes, planes.
Mommy, it's
Yeah.
a dragonfly.
Yeah, it's a dragonfly. Okay, ready to get in?
I love your flowers.
How do you remember those were mine? Oh yeah. How do you remember?
Booba told me.
Do you have some chocolate?
Ew.
No,
Booba told me.
I told you.
Yeah.
Let's go in.
Oh no, Mommy, can you actually throw that away? It's been sitting there for a day.
Which one?
That thing.
Yeah, can you bring it in?
No, I'm not
We need to
touching
throw it away.
I'm not gonna do it.
Well, who brought it out to start
Not
with?
me.
Who?
Booba. I'm joking, actually. It was me.
Okay. There you go.